Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're out here at FDR State Park on the Pine Mountain Trail. That's right, I'm hanging out with Senior Hiker 77, about to do an overnight at Big Oak Springs. It's gonna be a great day. Let's keep moving. Oh, there he is. Yeah, of course.
With my tripod, get the source, get some stuff.
All right, here we go.
I open the trunk for me.
All right, buddy.
I tripped and fell down. All right, I think I've got all I know what I wanted to do.
All right, so we're packed up, ready to go up here at Dowdell's Knob. Again, we're gonna be hiking into Big Oak Springs today, doing an overnight at that campsite, one of the best, I believe, on the Pine Mountain Trail. Out here with Senior Hiker 77, again, going from Dowdell's Knob down to Big Oak Springs, and in the morning we'll be getting out at Rocky Point. With that being said, let's keep moving. I was like, that's a pretty big dramatic change.
Let's see, who's got what you doing?
Just trying to look at the view. As you can. All right, so it looks like they have moved Brown Dog campsite. We just passed an area where it used to be, but now it looks like they've clear cut a new area. Heads up this way. Again, that is the Brown Dog campsite. It's a hot one out, huh?
That was awful.
Only 95 degrees, right?
Yeah, I should have went with my light, ultralight stuff.
So if you are ever planning on doing a section hike here at Pine Mountain Trail, the thing is you have to consider it is a shuttle ride. There are no shuttles, so you have to plan in advance. So for this particular trip, my buddy John and I met up at the park office and then dropped our cars off, one of the cars off at Rocky Point, and then drove up to Dowdell's Knob. So that way we have a car waiting for us tomorrow when we hit the trailhead. So only a little bit longer to Big Oak Springs, but just wanted to share that with you in case you're thinking about doing a section hike here on the Pine Mountain Trail. Okay, so Sparks Creek is about 0.6 miles. We're gonna have to go down some switchbacks to that campsite. But we're at Big Oak Springs, so I'd say about a mile or so to go. Nothing major, but with these temps, it's getting hot. Oh my goodness, woo! Look at this happy tree.
Yeah.
Hey!
Somebody did that?
Hey, I'm happy. All right, so we have hit Sparks Creek campsite. This is 2.3 miles from Dowdell's Knob. Feeling every bit of it today, huh?
I felt it today, really. The heat and the weight.
Found a nice little chanterelle here. Commonly they're found right around this area. But that's a nice size one there. What do you think, buddy? All right, so we have made it to Big Oak Springs. May of 2012. Our campsite is just down here. Let's go.
Know how you have all that English. Where you camping there?
Yep. Welcome to camp.
Am I going to be too close to you there?
Well, where do you want to camp?
I can go back there. We're not making a fire.
Well, we are.
We are.
Yeah.
I ain't making no fire in many well.
Well, that's you.
It's become so important to me. I carried in my little front fupa. One of the things I do with it, and I'm going to do a video, 5 things I do with it. One is this.
Put your pack down onto it first thing.
Well, if it's raining, you can cover up your bag. But in this case, I'm doing this.
Taking a break, huh?
Yeah, ooh. I can't believe that was the hardest 3 miles I've ever done.
Uh-oh. I'll take a break, buddy.
It really was. That heat, I don't know if it was the heat or the heavy bag, but I'm going. Oh.
There you go. Ground sheet, use number 1. All right, so we've made it to camp. This is Big Oak Springs. Lots of areas to select from. I like it personally because there's a lot of flat areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my tent, set up the new tarp that we got, and then go through a couple new items as well before the live stream tonight. So if you've never been here to Big Oak Springs, I definitely recommend it. One, mainly because it is secluded. It is off the main trail a good bit, so you're gonna get a nice surrounding of trees without anybody coming up on you in the middle of the night. So that's one of the main reasons why I like this campsite. So let's go ahead and set up camp. Okay, so this is my new tarp by Hammock Gear. It is the camouflage with doors edition. I picked this up from that hiking guy. Chris, thank you so much. I'm going to show you what this looks like. Let's go ahead and set it up. So the first thing I want to show you is these attachments. These are stingers. These are by Dutchware. These came recommended by Chris or that hiking guy. This is also some Zingit, so I chose orange to complement the camo. I know you can see it, but the whole purpose is so you don't get tripped up over it. So I'm going to show you these attachments, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it on my tarp and then attach it to the tree. Attach it like so, and then wrap it around the tree. Okay, so I took the snake skin. As you can see, it's coiled up on this end here. So when you want to put it back, simply feed it back over. So I've attached it. And again, if you want to look at how that attaches, you simply loop through it and then ties off. It's a very simple way to get this tarp up. So I put up the tarp. This is a Hammock Gear camouflage Dyneema tarp with doors. This is not the Palace, but it is 12 feet. It's the first time I put this up, so I know there's probably a lot of hammockers out there going, oh my gosh, what is he doing? But I still need some advice. If you guys know how to roll these up, I would love for you to send me a video or tell me how to do it, because I just am confused. All right, so we have the Duplex L pitched up here. Put the Hammock Gear tarp in the background. It's probably where we'll go if it starts to rain tonight, but this is the pitch low to the ground. It's supposed to rain tonight, so we wanted to make sure we're as low to the ground as possible. But there it is. There's my pitch on the CPAX Duplex L. This is my outside bag, so I'm going to take that over to the camp. This is an inside bag. As well as my quilt. All right, so this is the Grail Titanium Ultra Press. As you can see, it separates here is the collection cup or stove that you can actually use to cook the water. But this is our water source. Normally it's a lot more flowing, but today it looks like we're gonna have to deal with a little bit less undesirable resources here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up.
It's a little deeper over there, isn't it, Andy?
No.
No?
Let's go ahead and start the process. All right, so this is how my buddy Senior Hiker 77 cracks an egg. Show us how you do it.
Well, I used to crack them on the side, and of course you cook right here, right?
Yeah.
But I found out just watching YouTube, you like that.
Amazing.
Let's see if we can get one more.
Boom.
No eggshell.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Pro tip. So here's the Maxim 3-in-1. This is the famous coffee the Senior Hiker 77 carries on trail. It has cream, sugar, and coffee all in one. Yeah. Back. So, okay, Jim Hall, if you're watching this, we did not have a fire last night. Here is our campsite. As you can see, everything is clean. Again, we didn't put that stuff in the fire. All of the stuff is packed up, leave no trace, good to go. Love the Pine Mountain Trail and Big Oak Springs, but it is time to go. You ready, my friend?
Yes, sir.
Let's keep moving.
Keep moving.
All right, so we're back at that marker here on the Pine Mountain Trail. Yesterday, we came from that direction, but today, we're gonna be heading that direction up to Rocky Point. All right, so we have made it to the trailhead for Rocky Point. If you wanted to get off the Pine Mountain Trail, there's the Beaver Pond Trail. Isn't that the one that connects?
And White Lightning.
White
Candle Trail.
It connects to the
waterfall. It goes
waterfall?
down splits. It goes down in splits into the Beaver Pond and the White Candle Trail.
Does it go to the waterfalls or no?
Yeah, it comes out at the waterfall. No.
Oh.
It comes out at the tower.
Oh, the tower.
You bypass all the waterfalls.
and
This
then
is just a shortcut.
There you go, sir.
And people that hike the Pine Mountain Trail regularly, they may not go the Blue Blaze. They might take one of these shortcuts.
There's less traffic. And if you didn't know, about 5 miles from mile marker 23 at the tower, but we are almost done with today's adventure, hiking into Rocky Point. All right, so we've made it here into Rocky Point, but we're not done. You'll see Senior's truck here. We got a little bit of a drive to do. We got to go up to Dowdell's Knob to get the car. Again, if you're trying to do a section hike, you're going to have to put 2 cars in the mix. One where the takeout point is. There you go. You got to have 2 cars to get you back, 1 car to get you back to where you're going. So let's go ahead and throw our stuff in the back here. Yeah. And let's keep moving.
I'm gonna let it down. You want me to stop?
All right, so we are heading back to Dowdell's Knob. It has been an excellent hike out here, even though it's been super, super hot. So if you are planning to come out to the Pine Mountain Trail during the summer months, make sure you consider how hot it is. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.